Hello, my name is Sandro Guardiola. Today I am going to tell you the story of my collage. Okay, the the first picture we are playing soccer. There I there I am with my neighborhood friends. We are having fun and sharing before the start of the pandemic. The second picture, we are bathing in the pool. I am with my family, and my friends. Uh, that day, we have a great time uh, playing, playing in the pool, eating, and doing a lot of fun. The third picture, she's dancing. That day, my little sister is dancing in a parade. Uh, it was a very special day um, because the whole family is supporting and accompanying her throughout the parade. The fourth picture, they are bathing in the sea. My dad and my grandma and my whole family um, are getting to know the beaches of Coveñas and visiting some places that are there. Um, I was an amazing day for me. The fifth picture, we are driving in a motorcycle. That day, my friends and I went to the Coveñas on a motorcycle. It was an incredible and unforgettable experience because it was my first time traveling by motorcycle. The last picture, I am receiving my higher normal school diploma. Uh, that day is very important for me, for my family, because uh, I graduated to be a teacher and continue fighting for my dream. Uh, that's all. Thank you so much.